Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Spy Who Beat Me Pickleball
kasi mga
Tournament.
55 and up.
We are thrilled to have you all here with us today at NRT Event Center, General Santos City, for what promises to be a fantastic day of pickleball. Whether you are a seasoned
mga
player
darling, mga bata.
or new to the sport, we are so glad you have joined us. Pickleball is a sport that's known for its friendly and inclusive atmosphere. And we're seeing that here today with such a diverse group of players. A big thank you to our sponsors, volunteers and organizing committee for making this tournament possible. Their hard work and dedication have brought us all together for this exciting event. Let's make this a day of spirited competition, sportsmanship, and most importantly, fun. Remember to cheer on your fellow players, enjoy the games, and make some new friends along the way. Now, without further ado, let the Spy Who Dinked Me Pickleball Tournament officially begin.